welcome back to Marie's Kitchen. I'm super excited to be here today. It's hot, it's summer, and I'm going to show you how to save money, and we're going to make an ice cold frappuccino. So I'll be right back to get started. The first thing you're going to need is 2 cups of ice cubes, and I'm going to put it in my Ninja here, 2 cups. Then you're going to use half a cup of milk of your choice, and I'm using almond milk today. And you're going to need half a cup of cold brew coffee and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're doing this a little more healthy than that classic that they put in at Starbucks. And we're going to put 1 dash, or 1 teaspoon of real vanilla. And there it goes. We're ready to blend. That's how fast it is. So this is how it's going to look. Look at how frothy and blended this frappe is. Now you have a choice of icing your cup with some chocolate caramel Tirani, and I'm actually using the Starbucks cup. I save them. You could just run it around the inside if you want to bougie up your drink. And there it is. And then you're just going to pour this in. And there it goes. Look at how nice this is. I'm going to go ahead and put some whipped cream. And we're going to put the straw in. And there you have it. Your own homemade iced frappuccino. If you want more syrup, put some on. It's summer. You deserve it. It's hot. I'll be back with the scripture of the day. I was sitting next to this plant, and I was looking at it and saw how detailed and how small it starts out, and it grows to be a beautiful bloom. And I thought how intricate God designed us. In Psalms 139:13, for you formed my inward parts, you covered me, and you knit me together in my mother's womb. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful, God. My soul knows it very well. Know this very well, soul. You are beautiful and wonderfully made. In Proverbs 31:10, God tells us that we are more precious than jewels. In Ecclesiastes 3:11, God has made everything beautiful in its time. God reminds us that we were created in His image. That's a beautiful image. God sees you as His masterpiece, a beautiful creation. God saw all that He made, and it was very good. You are God's beautiful creation.